My name's Amy from Enyaq Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2021 Skoda Enyaq. This vehicle has done just under 15,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. On the steering wheel we have features such as voice control and cruise control. We also have automatic headlights and a keyless ignition. On the touchscreens we have key features such as navigation, vehicle status, charging, smart link and our assist systems. If we click this button here we can access our climate control. We also have heated seats on either side. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a black leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.